Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to today's class. I hope you all have learned what I have given in the previous class. Am I right, my dear? Yeah. Don't forget, I'll ask you questions. You have to answer. Okay? Shall I ask? Now tell me. Don't open your textbooks. Look at me and say, what is the name of second poem? What is the name of the poem? Frogs at School. Very good. Frogs at School. And say the name of poet. Name of the poet is George Cooper. Very good. Very nice. Then, how many froggies are going to school in this poem? How many? 20. Very good. Where the school is? Beside rushing pool. Beside a rushing pool. And in these first four lines, about what this poet has discussed, about what the poet have said us, about what? About the school and only uniform. And how the uniform is? Vest with white and clean. Vest with white and clean. And one more is there. I think, what is that? Shoe or socks? No. Then what? Yes. Very good. Coat. Am I right? Yeah. Coat. How the coat is? Little. I think it is in black color. No. Then yellow. No. Then which color? Coats are in which color? Green. Very good. In which color the coats are? Green. And vests are white. Okay? Very good, my dear. You all are learning well and you all are following us. Very good. Very good. Okay. So, now quickly we will go to the next stanza. Second stanza. Shall we? Yeah. So, open page number 9. Page number 9. Okay, so in the first 4 lines about the school and uniform. Okay, then next stanza. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. See, all these froggies are saying that they are making their own rules. What the rules are? They want to be in time to the school. Are you all doing that? No. So many are coming late. During assembly also, outside the gate, so many students. I can find so many students outside the gate. But here, these froggies are making their own rules that they want to be in time to the school. Not to go late and not to mark a late mark on their diary. They want to be in time to the school. Okay. Then one more thing they are saying. First we study and then we play. They want to study first. After that, after the completion of reading or doing the work what the teachers are giving, and then only they want to play. Okay. First we study and then we play. What they are saying? What they are saying? We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. What they are saying? Whenever we go to school, when we started to go to school, they are saying that they want to be in time to the school and first concentrate on studies and after that only they want to play. Okay. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Okay, my dear. First, they want to be in time to the school. First they want to study and then want to play. That is the rule they want to keep when they all go to school. And then 20 froggies grew up fast. Bullfrogs became at last. Now they sit on other logs, teaching other little frogs. See, the 20 froggies, they grew up fast. Bullfrogs, they became at last. Bullfrogs is nothing but male frog which is a big in size. Adult frog. Okay, a big frog, big male frog. Okay, so 20 froggies, they grew up fast, and bullfrogs, they became at last. Now they sit on other logs. See, by sitting on other logs, here, sitting on other logs, teaching other little frogs. The bullfrogs started to teach other little frogs. Okay, do you understand? 20 froggies grew up fast. 20 froggies grew up fast. Bullfrogs, they became at last. We also, when we take our birth, we are very small in size. We were very small in size. When the time goes on, we'll grow up. Am I right? We'll grow up and we became adult. Like that, these 20 froggies also, they grew up fast and they became bullfrogs. Okay, they became bullfrogs. Bullfrogs is nothing but male big frog, big male frog. Okay, so now that bullfrogs are sitting on other logs and started to teach other little frogs. వేరే దగ్గర కూర్చొని ఒక చెట్టు మీద కూర్చొని, నాట్ చెట్టు, ఇట్స్ ఎ లాగ్, కర్ర. దే సాట్ ఆన్ ద లాగ్ and started to teaching 20 other little frogs. Okay, so see once again. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. 20 froggies grew up fast. Bullfrogs, they became at last. Now they sit on other logs, teaching other little frogs. Okay, so I'll explain once again what they want. What these 20 froggies want. They want to be in time to the school, and first they want to study and then they have to play. They want to play. And then that is the rule they want to keep when they are ready to go to school. Okay, then 20 froggies grew up very fastly, and bullfrogs, they became at last. In the last, they became bullfrogs. And now those bullfrogs are sitting on other logs and teaching the little frogs also. Okay, by following all the rules and regulations, the bullfrogs are teaching and the little frogs are learning from their bullfrogs. Okay, so that is the poem, my dear. See, the poem is about frogs going to school. How they are going to school, what the rules they are making, what they want to do when they go to school, all this, how the uniform is and where the school is. Okay, this is the poem about frogs and their school, their uniform and all. And who wrote this poem? The poet is George Cooper. Okay, now my dears, I'll give some hard words on the board. Learn it very well. Time, study, play, rule, grew up, fast, bullfrogs, last. Log, teaching. Look at the board, my dears. Time, time, study, 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 play, play, rule, rule, grew grew up, fast, fast, bullfrogs, bullfrogs, last, logs, teaching, teaching. Okay, time, study, play, rule, grew up, fast, bullfrogs, last, logs, and teaching. See, these are the hard words. Please learn these hard words, my dear. And then in the previous class I have given rhyming words, 2 rhyming words. Am I right? Now, in the remaining poem, remaining 8 lines, we have some more rhyming words. Shall we write those? Shall we identify what those are? Yeah. Rhyming words. Now, I'll read the lines of poem. You have to say what is the rhyming words. What are the rhyming words? We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. Now tell me. They play. Very good. They play. Next one. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Rule, school. Very good. Rule, school. Next one. 20 froggies grew up fast. Bullfrogs, they became at last. Fast, last. Very good. Fast, last. Next one. Now they sit on other logs, teaching other little frogs. Now they sit on other logs, teaching other little frogs. Logs, frogs. Logs, frogs. Okay. See, these are the 10 hard words and these are the rhyming words, my dear. Learn the poem properly. Read the poem properly. Each and every word you have to learn. Okay. I'll once again revise the total poem. Page number 9. Total 12 lines I'll revise. Okay, look into the textbooks, all of you. Yeah. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushing pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vests all white and clean. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. 20 froggies grew up fast. Bullfrogs they became at last. Now they sit on other logs, teaching other little frogs. Okay, my dear, this is the poem. The name of the poem is Frogs at School, and the poet is George Cooper. In this poem, George Cooper is explaining us about the froggies going to school, about their uniform, where the school is, what the rules they are making, and who is teaching them. Okay, all these are about the froggies when they go to school. Okay, my dear, that's all for today. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.